Hey, Applet kiddos, I just wanted to let you know that starting tomorrow, you can begin your work on your first time right essay for Hamlet, just the number one. That's the only one. What I would like for you to do is you will read the prompt. You will open your own Google Doc. I want you to do a rough draft first, just a full intro, make sure there's a thesis in there, and then outline your essay. You will go back to the Google Classroom after you do that and submit it to the classroom, okay? I'd like you guys to do that by 4:30 on Wednesday, this Wednesday. And then by Friday the 27th, you will do the same exact thing in a new document, but you'll be writing the entire essay, okay? That way I have those two grades that I can look at and put in for you. So remember the outline, the intro and the outline first, and then complete the essay by Friday. That's all for number one. That is not for number two. You don't do that until next week, okay? I'm going to do a Zoom, a video conference. I'm going to make myself available to you all every single weekday from 1 to 2. So I will send a remind with the code. So download that Zoom app in case you guys want to have a conference or talk to me or have any questions, okay? Hope you all are doing well. Hope to see you soon. Bye.